All right, gearheads, coming at you from the Chicago Auto Show, the first major U.S. auto show since the world shut down. And there are a lot of vehicles that I am seeing in person for the very first time. Pardon the noise, it's media preview day. They're also finishing the load in. So we've got a lot of construction going on here to finish up the show. But I want to talk about this guy right behind me. 16 years in the making. This is the brand new Nissan Frontier midsize pickup truck. And I'm here for it. It looks amazing in person. I want to give you a quick walk around. Hey gearheads, do us a huge favor, hit that subscribe button down below so that you never miss a future video from us and see what we're reviewing next. And when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're reviewing something a little bit special. Yeah, our next milestone is 1,000 and we're gonna review the Subaru. If you still have the Subaru. If it's still the Subaru, yeah. So come hang out with us, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell so you never miss a future video. So this rides on a modified version of the old one's frame, but it is all new, inside and out. Same overall dimensions as the previous generation, but you can see it adopts Nissan's new corporate face to match Big Brother Titan. And you can see this one has the 3.8 liter V6 with direct injection, producing 310 horsepower, 281 pound-feet of torque, and can tow up to 6,720 pounds, which is competitive with its largest rival from Toyota, which we will get to over there. See that lime green one right there? That's the one I want to see. But we're talking Nissans right now, and this has no CVT. It's got the new 9-speed automatic transmission. Like I said, it's riding on a modified version of the old truck's box ladder frame, so it is still very capable. And this one here is in the off-road ready Pro4X. So think of TRD Pro competition. That's what you've got here with this Nissan Frontier 2022 Pro4X edition. You've got red tow hooks, come down here. We've got skid plates. We've got beefier tires. So crew cab trucks are all the rage right now. This is no exception. So very boxy styling, no complaints there. But like I said, very similar proportions to the outgoing model, but all new designs inside and out. And we will peek at the inside here. This again is the Pro4X trim. So you've got some orange, not red, orangish accents, both on the gauges. Let's see if I can get it to focus here. Got on the gauges, on the logos, stitching on the wheel, and in the seats, we've got Pro4X embroidered on the seats with a pretty cool, interesting pattern. Let's see what we've got here. Large infotainment touchscreen, currently the largest in the class, which there is not too much competition there. Chevy and GMC have very small units, and Toyota is about the same. So, looking at the back seat, if you're familiar with the Frontier currently, not too much change there. Again, very similar dimensions. It's riding on a modified version of the old one's frame, but just wanted to show you around here. Got a split fold seat. Easy to lift up, storage pockets galore. Got LED lights in the bed, movable tie downs, spray-in bed liner, and again, that orange badging coming around to the back, stamped tailgate. That is becoming a hallmark of pickup trucks, stamping the name, stamping models into them, and we think this example right here looks absolutely amazing.